In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Freshservice account. First things first, we understand that there could be multiple reasons you might want to cancel your service subscription. Whether it's budget constraints, a shift in business dynamics, or maybe the service no longer meets your needs, we aim to make this process as smooth as possible for you. Let's begin by navigating to your site. For many of you, this might be a straightforward step, but it's crucial for accessing your Freshservice dashboard. Simply type your unique Freshservice URL into your browser's address bar. On arriving at your site, you'll likely land on the home dashboard, where all your service activities are just a glance away. Now, take your attention to the left side of your screen. You should see 3 vertical dots, an often understated but powerful part of your navigation menu. Click on those dots. This action will reveal further administrative options or shortcuts tailored to improve your user experience within Freshservice's interface. Once you've clicked on the dots, you'll want to look for the Admin option. This is your gateway to managing the back-end settings of your Freshservice account. The Admin section is designed to offer you control over your account configurations, user settings, and much more. After entering the Admin section, the next step is to focus on your account settings. Look for an option labeled Account. This is typically found as either a tab or a link within the Admin section. The account area is where the magic happens, so to speak. It's where you can review your subscription details, manage payment information, and, yes, begin the process of cancelling your account. Upon clicking the Account option, another crucial step is to select Other Details. The reason for this is that Freshservice structures its account management settings in a way that additional options, including account cancellation, are nested under this section. The layout is intuitive, meant to categorize settings neatly and simplify navigation. Now, for the moment you've been preparing for cancelling your account, within the Other Details section there should be a clearly marked option for Cancel My Account. It's important to approach this step with certainty, as account cancellation is a significant action. Upon selecting Cancel My Account, Freshservice will likely prompt you to confirm your decision. This might include asking you to provide a reason for cancellation, which helps them understand how they can improve their services in the future. Cancelling a service account is never an easy decision, and it's not uncommon to feel a mix of relief and apprehension during the process. Remember, the goal here is to ensure your transition away from Freshservice is as smooth and hassle-free as possible. Before you finalise your cancellation, it's wise to double-check any ongoing or pending service tickets to ensure there won't be any loose ends once your account is closed. Additionally, consider exporting or backing up any crucial data from Freshservice, as access to your account and its data might not be available after cancellation. In closing, we hope this guide has been beneficial in walking you through the steps to cancel your Freshservice account. Although saying goodbye is never easy, understanding the process can alleviate some of the stress and uncertainty that comes with it. If you have further questions or need assistance with other services, don't hesitate to reach out or explore our other tutorials for more guidance. Remember, your business needs and tools should evolve together. Whether you're scaling up, changing directions, or simply taking a moment to reassess your toolset, being informed and in control of your service subscriptions is crucial. Thank you for following along with this guide, and we wish you the best in your future endeavours.